What's going on, everyone? Hope you guys are having an awesome morning. I wanted to take you guys along for a pickup today. I am going to be going downtown Chicago. As you guys know, I do live in Chicago. We got a ton of stuff going on here this weekend with All-Star Weekend. Got some celebrities coming into town. Lots of releases going on. So luckily I was able to take a W on the exclusive access here for the Jordan Red Cement, the Fire Red, the Chicago exclusive. So I'm on my way to go pick those up. I wanted to bring you guys along. When I get back, we're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing and a review for you guys. So let's go get these sneakers. And we are back. I hope you guys liked that little tour I gave you. Good thing I got home when I did, because it's actually snowing outside now. But anyways, that's Chicago for you. It could be nice outside 1 minute and then the next thing you have full out snowstorm. So anyways, let's get into what you guys came for. We did secure the bag. So pretty nice box. Got the red and the cement. Air Jordan 3 Retro Unite. And as I stated, these are the Chicago exclusive version. So let's go ahead and open it up. So here on the paper, you've got the little Jordan logo with the Unite on the paper. I don't know if you guys can see that. And comes with three sets of laces. You got the black, red, and the white. I think I like the black on there. The red might be a little bit too much, but there it is. Really similar to the DJ Khaled's. Only difference is it doesn't have the red midsole. Those things are crazy. Those are going for like 14 grand on StockX. But super nice. Leather quality is good. And this obviously is the difference from the other general release. It's coming out in a few days. So super nice, super clean. Let's take a look at the other one. Very nice. The quality is actually excellent on there. Really well put together. Pretty dope shoe. It does have the Shy on both of them. So I recommend you guys cop. If you can't get the Shy version, the other version should probably still look pretty clean. But these are definitely dope. Nice little pickup. So definitely gonna be rocking these once the snow clears up. But if you guys need some help copping stuff like this, some of the releases that are coming out this weekend or future releases, I'm gonna go ahead and link the cook group that I'm in. They're a free cook group, super helpful, lots of monitors. The people in there are awesome. Leader is awesome. Really cool group, super cool people. They've been super helpful for me to cop stuff like this and some other stuff that I've gotten in the past. But if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a like, share with your friends. Make sure you turn on that subscribe button. I have tons of content coming up. I'm going to be doing some restorations, and I'm going to show you guys how to turn some beaters into heaters. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to go ahead and leave you guys with some B-roll, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.